What's good, YouTube? It's your boy SS Marco, and we're back at it again with a new video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all the difference when you get a real intake, something decent like this. It's not the best, but it's better than what I had. So I'm gonna show y'all the difference between an eBay intake and a K&N. So I got some race videos, some before and after videos. So I hope you guys like the video. Watch it, like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think about the car, and yeah, peace out. Anyways, guys, we got the intake on there. This is the new filter and stuff, new bracket, housing, all that good stuff. But I'm about to give you guys I'm gonna start it. Go ahead, see what it sounds like.